Understanding the best and worst food pairings with broccoli for optimal health. Broccoli is celebrated for its exceptional health benefits and is frequently listed among the top superfoods. However, to maximize its health benefits, it's crucial to pair broccoli with the right foods. This article will explore the best and worst food combinations with broccoli, emphasizing how these pairings can either enhance or diminish its nutritional value. Introduction to broccoli's health benefits. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is renowned for its dense nutritional profile. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to its reputation as a powerful health-promoting food. Notably, broccoli contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Despite its benefits, the way broccoli is paired with other foods can significantly impact its health effects. Here's a detailed look at how to optimize the health benefits of broccoli through proper food pairings. Worst food pairings with broccoli. 1. Broccoli and vinegar-based dressings. One of the most common practices is to dress broccoli with vinegar-based sauces. However, this pairing can be counterproductive. Vinegar and other acidic dressings can degrade the sensitive vitamins in broccoli, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These vitamins are crucial for boosting the immune system and protecting against various diseases. To preserve the nutritional value of broccoli, it's better to avoid acidic dressings and opt for alternatives that do not interfere with its vitamin content. 2. Broccoli and certain blood thinners. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting. For individuals on blood thinners such as warfarin or aspirin, the high vitamin K content in broccoli can interfere with medication effectiveness. This can lead to complications as these medications are designed to thin the blood and prevent clots. Therefore, if you are on such medications, it is advisable to consume broccoli at least 2 hours apart from taking your medication to avoid any adverse interactions. 3. Broccoli and overconsumption in diabetes management. While broccoli is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels due to its low glycemic index, excessive consumption can lead to hypoglycemia, particularly in diabetic individuals. Over-reliance on broccoli as a substitute for other foods can result in an imbalance. Moderation is key, and it's important to incorporate broccoli as part of a balanced diet to manage blood sugar levels effectively without risking hypoglycemia. Best food pairings with broccoli. 1. Broccoli and horseradish or mustard. To enhance the immune-boosting properties of broccoli, consider pairing it with horseradish or mustard. These condiments contain compounds that aid in the activation of sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant in broccoli. Unlike vinegar, horseradish and mustard do not compromise the vitamin content of broccoli. This combination helps preserve the vegetable's nutrients and amplifies its health benefits. 2. Broccoli and citrus fruits, tangerines or oranges. Citrus fruits like tangerines and oranges are excellent companions for broccoli. The high vitamin C content in these fruits enhances the absorption of iron from broccoli. This synergistic effect not only helps in preventing anemia, but also improves overall immune function. Additionally, the vitamin K in broccoli aids in calcium absorption, making it an even better partner for citrus fruits. 3. Broccoli and onions. Combining broccoli with onions can produce remarkable health benefits. Onions contain quercetin, a compound that enhances the protective effects of broccoli against cardiovascular diseases. The combination of broccoli's antioxidants and onions' vascular protective properties supports heart health and helps in managing cholesterol levels. This pairing also aids in reducing blood pressure and promoting overall cardiovascular health. 4. Broccoli and tomatoes. Tomatoes, another superfood, complement broccoli well. They are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that works synergistically with broccoli's nutrients to boost overall health. Cooking broccoli and tomatoes together can increase the absorption of beneficial compounds, including vitamin U, which is more concentrated in broccoli stems. This combination enhances immune system support and improves nutrient absorption, making it an ideal pairing during colder seasons. Conclusion. In summary, the health benefits of broccoli can be optimized by choosing the right food pairings. Avoiding vinegar-based dressings and being cautious with blood thinners and excessive broccoli consumption are crucial steps. On the other hand, pairing broccoli with horseradish, citrus fruits, onions, and tomatoes can significantly enhance its nutritional benefits. By making informed choices about how you pair broccoli, you can maximize its health benefits and enjoy its full potential as a superfood. Remember to subscribe for more health tips and share this information with friends and family to help them make the most of their diet.